Welcome to the Conference Room Training module. Conference rooms allow for 2 or more people to be on a call at the same time, and they can be customized to fit your specific needs. In this module, the following topic will be covered: creating and customizing a conference room. Conference room settings can be found in the end-user web portal by selecting the Features Conference Room menu. Every Switchvox extension has its own personal conference room. To create your conference room, enter a unique 5-digit number or have Switchvox randomly assign one. This 5-digit code will be used as a PIN number for callers to enter the conference room when they dial into your company's MeetMe conference bridge. As the conference room owner, you have the ability to customize your conference room with the following options. Play sound when people enter or leave. By enabling this feature, a sound will be played to all members of the conference room when a new caller enters or leaves the room. There are 3 options for the sound type. Only sound. Only a sound is played. Sound with caller name. The caller is prompted to record their name. The recorded name is then played along with the sound. And sound with caller name, user review option. This is the same as sound with caller name, but it gives the caller an opportunity to listen to the recorded name, then accept or re-record it before joining the conference room. Play music on hold. When enabled, this option plays music when only one caller is in the conference room. Enter an extension here, so that when a member presses the pound key, they are transferred to that extension. Conference admins are special members of the conference room who have specific privileges. To designate an admin for your conference room, type a contact name or extension number into the search box, and Switchvox will offer suggestions of matching extensions. Or you can click Add Members to display the extensions available in Switchvox. Extensions can be sorted by the column headers, extension, name, and type. When the extension is highlighted, click on the Expand Details to show more information about that extension. Once you have selected the extension you would like to designate as an admin, click Add. To delete an admin, select the admin and delete. The admin settings control what happens in a conference based on whether or not an admin is present. These settings include: only allow conference admins to talk. When this setting is enabled, non-admin callers can only listen. They cannot be heard in the conference room. Hang up conference when all conference admins leave. When this setting is enabled, the call ends when there are no longer any admins in the conference room. And users cannot talk until a conference admin is in the conference room. When this setting is enabled, non-admins cannot be heard in the conference room until an admin is in the room. Callers can join the room, but they cannot speak to each other. Now that this course is complete, you should have an understanding of the following topics: creating a user conference room, customizing a conference room, and administrator settings for conference rooms.